Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to conduct simple division in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to have a table or anything that contains a value that we can divide from another value. Let's say this table right here. This table requires us to divide the column B to the values in column A. Well, this is quite simple because Excel has a way to automate stuff like this. First, go ahead and click on the empty cell beside those two numbers. Under the column A/B, we should be able to get the results by dividing column B from column A. To do so, let's type the equal sign and select the first cell, which is the cells in column A. Next, to conduct division, we should be able to use the slash button. Lastly, we should enter the second term or the term that we are going to divide column A by. In this case, it's the value in column B, which is 5. And once we've done that, just press enter to finalize the results. We got the value of 2.4 right after that. Now, to automatically apply division to the other cells, all we need to do is drag the little green box on the lower right corner of the cell and drag it all the way down to the other cells. And there we go. We managed to easily get the results by dividing column A to column B just by dragging the function all the way down. And there we go. That is how we simply use the division function in Microsoft Excel.